Thank you. But one thing is that that is not recoverment. That is in the recovery. That would be in the recovery. Okay. And you send in the group whatever you wrote. And Karan, you too, you also send in the group whatever you wrote. And the next three are remaining. No, you after writing, whenever you get time, you write it and then you send in the group. Okay. And another word is that you have read the topics very nicely. Pronunciation was clear, and the way you have read the topic subject, that's where also very looking, hearing very nice in ours. Very good. And grammars are okay with the things. But next day, I will be telling you that without writing, you have to say. Sometimes I will give you to write and say. Sometimes I will be giving you not to write and say. Communication, like, and I am giving you to write because your vocabulary should enrich. And I am giving you to say without writing because your communication should enrich. Your fluency should come out. That's the reason. Okay. So next, I will give you the homework in the group. That one you do, please. And communication is really important. You do make sure of all this. And one thing is that today I will tell you one thing that one question I will be asking you in orally. Oral question will be there. So are you ready for that? Hello, are you ready for that? Okay. So my first question goes to Karan. Are you ready, Karan? Okay. So suppose you have owned a lottery of 1,50,000, and you have whatever the spendings, whatever the expenditure you will be doing, what are the things you will be doing with that money? 1,50,000. Okay. Why you will be giving to them? Why you will be not spending for from yourself? Okay, very good. Okay, that is your answer. That was your personal experience you have shared. Okay, so now the same question goes to Kajal. If you are getting this much money in lucky draw, what would you have done, Kajal? Yeah, your answer. You tell me your answer. What would you do? Yeah, repeat. You have won a lottery of 1,50,000. How much? How you will be spending the money, the rewarding money? आपको लकी ड्रॉ में 1,50,000 मिला है, जीता है आपने लकी कूपन। तो आप इसे कैसे स्पेंड करोगे? हाउ यू विल स्पेंड द मनी? ओके, ओके देन? हुँ, हुँ। Now see Kajal, when I am giving you to write, you are writing very thoroughly, very easily. But if I ask you any question randomly, then you are just not maintaining your fluency, and that is called language. If you can answer me fluently, if you can think and you can tell me as Karan is telling, or more than better than Karan, you can, if you can say, that is called you are learning. Your learning is going on in improvement level. Okay, so try to answer it. How much it is possible for you to be in fluency in incessant mood. Okay, आपको ऐसे नहीं करना है कि I will do not like that. You just think what would be you will be doing. Then you let me know after that. Okay, just try to. And tomorrow from Monday onwards, I will be asking you oral some questions. You will be thinking. You will be giving your idea, sharing at least 5 minutes, at least 1 or 2 minutes. You 2 to 3 minutes. You have to go on saying. Okay. Yeah. So Shikha, it's your turn to answer the question. Same question, please. You're 50 and 25 and 25. That means 1 lakh is spent already you have spent. And remaining 50,000, what you would be doing? Okay, okay, very good. So that's about the things, how you think, how do you communicate, how do you reply, how do you make your comprehension convince to others. That is our work to do in the session. Okay, so that's all for today. Next, we shall be meeting on Monday. Until then, bye and see you soon again on Monday. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Thank you, dear.